Closest one's in Washington.
Smithsonian Air and Space Museum. Land of dreams in there. All I ever wanted to be was an astronaut.
Hold those.
What is that?
What? I wear them when I'm in a funk. So does Giambi, Jeter. It's a baseball thing. Okay.
Watch your synchronized, sharp mind, and empty bladder. You get caught, demand an attorney, and don't ever say my name. Yeah, take one of these pills, slip it under your tongue. It's the high-concentrate polymer they put in Oreo cookies. Tricks the polygraph every time. Okay, now let's get this show on the road.
Whoa, no. Listen, I can't do this.
Yes.
I'm not some alien bounty hunter, all right, guys? I'm not gonna do this. Guards have guns. I don't want to die.
Kid. You compromise this mission, you are dead to me. Now look into my eyes. Tighten up that sphincter.
Yo, Papa, bad news, bro. Ran out of toilet paper. You got any out here? Please tell me you got
Sir,
any.
I suggest you get in there. The museum is closed.
Listen, man, I understand that, but as you can see, this is important, all right? Thumper dumper. I gotta go, all right?
Sir, you are a grown naked man around children. Pull your pants up and exit the
I'm not
museum.
going anywhere. You got that paper, right, sir?
You should be embarrassed. There's a family museum, sir.
What is going on here?
How many times can you get tased in the nuts before you can't have kids, huh? You know.
You are an amateur, man. A rank amateur.
Just now, 5 guards. 5 guards.
You get your stuff and get out of here, all right?
Now you're rustling.
I gotta get the tractor, all right?
Be good. I'm claustrophobic. Follow him. He knows where he's going. He knows something.
What?
He knows something.
You got what I got?
Yeah.
Blackberry.
Ah, there he is. This guy's a legend, like the chairman of the board. Yo, freshman, point to Shy. And watch the magic happen.
It's a Decepticon!
Decepticon. Find him, make now!
What sort of hideous mausoleum is this? Answer me, pawns and knaves! Show yourselves, or suffer my infinite wrath! You little spiral cord-based organisms! Bugger it! Behold, the eternal glory of Jetfire! Prepare for remote systems override!
I tell you, this guy did not age well.
I don't think he's gonna hurt us.
I command these doors to open! Fire! Oh, I said fire! Oh, bollocks! That means worthless.
Wait a second.